In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Premiere Pro using two simple methods, including the recommended way through Adobe Creative Cloud and a second method using Windows settings. Whether you want to free up space, fix a broken installation, or completely remove the app from your computer, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. The first method, and the one I recommend most, is using Adobe Creative Cloud. This is usually the cleanest and most reliable way to remove Premiere Pro, especially if you installed it through Adobe's official app. To begin, open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Once it loads, go to the Apps section. This is where Adobe shows all of the programs currently installed on your device. Now scroll through your installed apps and find Adobe Premiere Pro. When you see it, look for the three dots menu next to the app name. Click those three dots to open the options menu. From there, choose Uninstall. Adobe will then give you a couple of choices depending on how clean you want the removal to be. If you want to uninstall Premiere Pro but keep your custom settings, you can choose Keep Preferences. This is useful if you think you might reinstall later and want to save your workspace layout, shortcuts, or other personal settings. If you want a completely fresh uninstall, choose Remove Preferences. This is the better option if you're troubleshooting or planning to do a full clean reinstall later. After you choose the preference option that works best for you, confirm the uninstall. Creative Cloud will begin removing Premiere Pro from your system. Depending on your computer and the version you have installed, this may take a few moments. Just let the process finish, and once it's complete, Premiere Pro will be removed from your device. Now let's move on to method 2, which uses Windows settings. This method is helpful if you want to uninstall Premiere Pro directly from your operating system. To do this, press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. Once Settings opens, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. In some versions of Windows, this may simply appear as Apps and Features, but the idea is the same. In the list of installed programs, search for Adobe Premiere Pro. When you find it, click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall. The system will then remove the application from your computer. Keep in mind that if Premiere Pro was installed through Creative Cloud, Adobe may still recommend removing it from Creative Cloud instead of Windows settings, since that method is usually more complete. But if you just need a quick uninstall, this Windows method can still work. Once the process is finished, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Restarting helps clear out any leftover temporary files and makes sure the uninstall process is fully applied. If you plan to reinstall Premiere Pro later, you can reopen Creative Cloud and install it again whenever you're ready. So that's how to uninstall Premiere Pro using Creative Cloud or Windows settings. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.